When you want to work out on this one amount, for example, now you have put this one out percentage is out of what? Of 100. So for example, now if you say 20%, it means what? 20 out of 100. If you say 40%, it means what? 40 out of 100. So if you say 5%, it means what? 5 out of 100. That's how to actually what, look at the percentages. So today, we're going to do how to find percentage of an amount. So if you have something like this, like said, work out 20% of 80. What is 20% of 80? So this is what you do. You do 20 out of 100 times what? Times 80, you say 80 pounds. 20 out of 100 times 80. $20 out of 100 times 80. So you will multiply the top by the top. Then you divide by what? By 100. What is 20 times 80? So in case you don't know how to do this long multiplication, or just to make it a lot easier for you, you will multiply the top by the top, bottom by what? By bottom. So 2 times 8 is what? 16. Then you add the zeros to it. You now divide that one by what? By 100. So that gives you 16. That's it. So it's going to be 16 pounds. It's going to be 16 pounds. Just do 20 times what? Times 80. Divide by 100. You get 16. So that is that's what you have to actually take notes. So another example is this: if you have 15 over, if you have something like this, like I said, 30% of 70 pounds. That gives you what? 30 over 100 times 70. 3 times 7 is 221. Then you do this one. So now divide that one by what? By 100. That gives you what? 21 pounds. So can you copy it down, please? With that. So let's continue. So if you have something like this, you have 10%. You have 10% of 60 pounds. What you have to do is go with 10 of 60 pounds. What you have to do is you 10 over 100 times what? Times 60. Then that gives you what? 600 divided by 100, because 10 times 60 is going to be 600 divided by 100. That gives you what? 6 pounds. That gives you what? 6 pounds. That's actually what? 10% of 60. That's 10% of 60. So you can just put that one down, but I think there's no point writing that one. So I'm going to ask you to do this now. What is 40% of 40% of 60? what is 20% of 120? Then what is 70% of 80? So can you try that? I'm gonna like try it, please. Then in like 1 or 2 minutes, I'm gonna come and like tell you the answer to see maybe you got it right or wrong. So when you do this, it's gonna be what? 40 over 100.
25 pounds.
So
24 pounds.
24 pounds. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because 4 times 6 is 24.
Yeah.
24, thank you. Then this one is good. What? 20 over 100.
It's same 24 pounds.
Yes, 24 pounds too. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So then
and that one is 65 pounds.
yeah, so it's a 70 over 100 times 80. So what is 7 times 8?
65.
No, I don't.
It's
no, it's 56.
Sorry, 56. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. 56 over 100 divided by 8. So it's 56 pounds.
56, yeah.
Yes. So it's 56 pounds. So that is correct. So if you got that one right, that's very good job from you. So let me just give you another one to actually work to try again. Sometimes it could be other than this. So sometimes you might need your calculator. So in fortunate scale, we have 2 sections. We have 2 sections. We have the calculator section and we also have the non-calculator section. So in this case, you might need to use a calculator. So if you have something like this, that £24.50. So £24.50. So that's what is 36% of £24.50. So you go what 36 over 100 times 24.50. So you multiply this on a calculator. 36 times 24.50. This time around, use a calculator. 36 times 24.50. That gives you what? 882. Now divide that one by 100. That gives you 8.82. So if you have something like this, 47% of £33.50, that gives you 47 over 100 times £33.50. So what is 47 times £33.50? 47 times £33.50. That is 1574.5 divided by 100. Divided by 100. That is going to be 50.75. 50.75. You can see that one now. So you just involve calculator with it. That's all you need to do for the other part, just to involve a calculator with it, because these 2 sections, there's no point bothering yourself about so Write those ones too. Don't forget, you can use your calculator. Okay, yeah. I'm listening.
Yeah. Yeah, the 21.32.
Okay. So let's try and work it out. So the first you say is what 26 over 100 times.
Yeah.
So you do 82 times 26 is this. That divided by 100. That gives you 21.32. Is that what you got? 21.32?
Yeah, 32. Yeah.
Good. Then this one is going to be 34. Well, I'm just doing it so that others that are watching the recordings can see exactly what we did. So
yeah,
34 times 64.
21.76.
Yes, that's correct. So 176 over 100. That's going to be what 21.76. Well done. That is correct too. So the next 27 over 100 times 95.
Yeah.
27 divided by 100.
25.65.
Yes, times 95. That gives you what 25.65. Yes. Then quite a correct too. Then this thing times 67. That's 22.11.
Yeah, 22.11.
11, yes. So
Yeah.
so that is actually what yes. That's okay. That is actually what perfect, and that is actually what correct on that in that context. So the first parts of the job done. So the second part is going to be about express one number as a percentage of the other. That's what you want to do next now. Express one number as percentage of the other. Express one number percentage of the other one. So that's what we want to look at now. So it's very straightforward. So that we can actually was just so when you look at these. So when you look at this, when you say one number is percentage of the other one, so you can say 40 over 50. Say, look at this question, say express 45 as a percentage of 50. So this is what we do. We will not do 45 out of 50. Then you multiply by 100. 45 out of 50. Then you multiply by 100. Can you see? So you do that one. So 45 times 100 gives you what? 4500 divided by 50. So that gives you, you just divide it. So divide it. That gives you 450 divided by 5. That gives you 90. So it's going to be 90. Can you see? Another example is this: express 70 as a percentage of 120. So you do what? 70 over 120 times 100. So you do 70 divided by 120. 70 divided by 120 equals to this times 100. That is this one. That's going to be what? 58.3. That's going to be 58.3. So that's actually what I just to do. So I'm just gonna, we're gonna wrap up with this. So express 40 as a percentage of 70. Express 20 as a percentage of 45. Express 30 as a percentage of 35. So the first one, is 40 as a percentage of 70.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I need
times 100.
Yeah.
So that gives you 40 divided by 70 equals to this.
400 and 700 over 700.
That is 57.14. 57.14.
Mm.
And yes. What about this one? 20, 45. 20 divided by 45 times 100. That gives you 44.4. This one is 30 divided by 35 times 100. That's going to be what? 85.71%. That's it. Which one did you get right there? How many questions? If you got the first decimal right, I'm fine with that. So how many questions did you get right?
Yeah, because as a second one, I do 20 over 100 and multiply by 100.
Oh, you think that's as a percentage, it's going to be 20 out of 45 times 100. Like this. So then just write it there for people that's going to be watching. So
Okay. Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
It's going
yeah.
to be 20 out of 45.
Yeah.
100. And this one is going to be 30 out of 35 times 100.
Yeah,
So
yes. Now I understand. Thank you.
Yeah. So there's going to be like the recording section is going to be available in the. It's going to be available in the. What's it called? So I think Jill will post it. So as soon as she posts it, just try and record, try and listen to the conversation. And a lot of people did not join us today because maybe they actually were at work. But trans, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be fine with it. So is it the first time of you joining? First time?
Sorry?
Is it the first time you're gonna join the class?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, thank you. I really like the way you respond in the class today. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. So because there's not really much to do after this. So okay, let me just give you one more to try so that I know that you can do this.
Yes, please.
Yes. Express 20 out of 50 as sorry. This is it. Express 20 as a percentage of 50.
Sorry, just 1 minute. I receive call. Just 1 minute.